Tire change, 2008 Ford Explorer. I'm going to show you the whole flow on this call. It will be edited. It's not going to be an unedited video or anything like that. All right, first move, you got to go make sure they got a spare tire. I did already check. They do. Underbody. And this, you just can use your impact gun in the socket, same size socket as the lug nut to remove that. All right, you know the deal. First thing we're going to do is get the tool bag to the tire and the jack to the lift point here. Nice and gentle. The spare was rusty and completely flat, so it's taken a minute or two to fill up. Whenever you see rust, always recommend a tow.